Current global warming trends are especially significant to communities in the polar and Antarctic regions. A warming atmosphere has proven to be catastrophic for the cold and ice-covered regions of the world. The primary threat to communities in the Arctic Circle, like Murmansk, Russia, are changing sea ice conditions. The recent volatility in sea ice conditions is quite disruptive globally. Melting sea ice implicates coastal communities by rising sea levels, putting stress on infrastructure and natural resources, such as sea moons. The food security of polar communities is put into question due to sea ice serving as the breeding grounds for many sea mammals and providing a nutritional base to the diet of many indigenous communities. Despite the implication of hunting grounds and infrastructure, there are some positives that come with lower levels of sea ice. One that benefits polar communities is the increased accessibility of polar trade routes as a result of diminishing ice cover, which provides a valuable connection to society for these remote communities. Since changing sea ice conditions implicate the already narrow economic opportunities of polar communities, a possible solution would be to find unorthodox revenue sources in an attempt to diversify local economies and improve capabilities for citizens.